So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, there's going to be 3 commands down below in the description. We're going to try all of them one by one. So for the first command, this is for the first method. We're just going to highlight this, do Control-C to copy it, and then come to PowerShell, and then do Control-V to paste it. It's going to be wsreset.exe. You're going to click on enter, which is now going to reset the Microsoft Store. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, we're going to go with the second command. It's going to start with Get-AppxPackage all users. We're just going to copy this. We're going to highlight it, do Control-C to copy it, come to PowerShell, and then do Control-V to paste it, and then click on enter. Wait for this to load. Now once that loads up, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then we're going to go with the last command right here. Just going to copy this. It's going to start with Get-AppxPackage ForEach. We're going to do Control-C to copy it, and then come back to PowerShell, and then do Control-V to paste it, and then click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.